So in this video, I am going to show you how to trade the symmetrical triangle pattern using just your mobile phone. Okay, it is also a very good pattern, is lucrative. It depends on how you are able to wait patiently to see it, if you're able to recognize it on your chart. So I am going to show you how to recognize that, and also in this same video I am going to show you how to locate the triangle tool on your MT5, and then we can use that to trade this particular pattern. Meanwhile, this is a live market, so even after this video you can go and check it and see if the price honors this type of patterns. Okay, it is very simple and it is a live video that I am doing it. The market is currently ongoing. So what you do, just tap on your screen and pick the triangle tool. You see price was initially dropping down, which means it was in a downtrend. This is Euro USD on 1 hour. Price was dropping down. However, it changed direction at this point. It changed direction and it is now pushing upwards. So I will enlarge the screen for you to see something. I'm now going to enlarge the screen. You can see that we can detect the triangle pattern and it's symmetrical at this particular point. For symmetrical triangle, you may not necessarily know what direction the price may go, okay, because it can go upwards or downwards, but it's also in you. It is your own responsibility to wait for price to break out of that symmetrical triangle to give you a direction. So let me go and pick the triangle tool, then we can now begin to show you how to trade the symmetrical triangle pattern on your MT5. So tap the screen, go to this particular tool that is having shapes, click on it, then pick the triangle tool. Look at it here. If you can't find it the way mine is showing, maybe it has been deleted or you've never used it, this plus sign that you are seeing, you click on it, then we will scroll down and go to the triangle tool, click on it. Now you have picked it, so we are going to tap on the screen. I will tap here, that dot that you are seeing, is it, tap on it the second time and use it and drag it. Okay, you can now drag it. That is the triangle tool. You can see it, right? Now there is a triangle pattern here and it's symmetrical. If I place this tool here at the upper part, this is 1 hour, so I am going to place the tool at the tip of this wick. So the tool is at the tip of the wick, then I will tap this other angle and drag it to this point, then I will tap this other and drag it down to this point. Now you can see we have a symmetrical triangle here on Euro USD and it is on 1 hour. Anytime price touches any sides of the triangle, it bounces back. It touches, it bounces back. What we are waiting for to take an entry is for price to break up or to the downside. Okay, so we want price to break to the up or downside. Now you don't want price breaking with just a wick. You want it to break with a candle that closes with a full body. That confirms the breakout for you and you can take your entry at that particular level. So assuming if we are to set our, so you can set your entry at this particular level that I am drawing. You can set your entry here at this level, or you can set your entry at this level. So whichever one. You can set a buy stop order here, that whenever price touches here it should take you in for a buy at the upper side, or you can set a sell stop order. If you don't know how to set a sell stop order, simply follow the video that will appear at the top right hand corner. You can go and watch it. So for a sell, you want to go in if price breaks down to the lower side. So you will set a sell stop order at the lower side over here. Okay, now if price breaks to the upper side, you will now use a buy stop order at the upper side. If you don't know also how to use a buy stop order, a video will appear at the top right hand corner. You can go and watch it to see how to set it. We are setting those buy stops and sell stops because price may come at the time that you are not available online. That is the use of a buy stop and a sell stop order. Okay, but if you know, you keep monitoring until price breaks out, then whenever the price closes with a full body candle, you will go in, you take your entry. Okay, so for now I am watching the euro USD. Anytime that price breaks out of this symmetrical triangle, we will take our entry and our stop losses will be just below where I would have placed these buy stops and sell stop. So if price breaks to the upper side, I will take an entry and set my stop loss below. If it breaks to the lower side, I will take an entry for a sell and then set my stop loss above. That is how to trade the symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, so if you have any question regarding how to trade the symmetrical triangle pattern on your MT5 chart, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.